I was leaving from Pécs, Hungary to Zurich, catching a flight there back to Boston via JFK and NYC. To get to Zurich I needed to take a 5-hour bus ride to Budapest, take the subway a few stops until I reached the main rail station. I was tired, hungry, thirsty and really had to shit by the time I got to Budapest. I decided to carry on and hold it until I got to the main railway station. I don't end up shitting my pants, sorry to let you down. I make it there just in the nick of time. Something about holding it in for that long really exhausted me, and I just wanted to get on the train and sleep. After waiting 2 hours my train arrived and I found my cabin. There were 2 portly Hungarian girls already in there watching movies on their laptop, and they seemed very friendly and easygoing. I mingled a little to be friendly, but really just wanted to sleep. Then arrived disaster. These 2 Roma girls literally fell into our cabin laughing their heads off, and blasting dance music on their Nokias. They were blasting 2 different songs on 2 different Nokias. Now I ride the subway every day in Boston, so I'm used to pricks who don't know how to use headphones, so I didn't think too much of it. They didn't speak a lick of English, but I guess really took a liking to me since every time I closed my eyes I would get poked in the side of the head and giggled at like I was an animal. They really wanted to talk to me through the other Hungarian girls, asking if I had a girlfriend, where I was from. Occasionally breaking out a few lines of broken English themselves like handsome boy, while petting my head. I believe in personal space, but I also know trying to argue with them would probably be futile. After a while I fell into one of my books realizing I would soon get no sleep. I don't know at what point this happened, but somebody broke out a porno and put it on the Hungarian girl's laptop. I would get poked, shown the porno and laughed at. Now I'm no slouch, when it comes time to get nasty, I get nasty. But this was just not the time for this. I was not attracted to these girls, they smelled like a hockey player's foot, and I was going on 24 hours with no sleep. Plus I had just left my girlfriend in Pécs, and I was / still am in love. I wasn't going to screw around. Finally, one of them puts her hand on my junk, bites my ear and asks me, "You want sex me?" To which I replied nem, taking her hand out of my lap. I then got a barrage of sex from the 2 Roma. Look it up. I spent the next 6 hours with these girls blasting music, poking me, berating me and holding in a piss for fear of them riffling through my shit. I guess karma shifted my way in the long run. When we hit the Switzerland border the girls were detained by Border Patrol, probably for being Roma. That sucks and everything. I know that the Roma people have a bad rap in Europe, but I hated these girls at this point. I hated them so hard. I got a good 1 hour of drifting in and out of naps, but I still felt like shit when we pulled into the Zurich train station. More good news: when I arrived to Zurich airport, I found out they overbooked the flight, and I had been bumped up to first class. I went from sharing a cramped quarter with 2 Roma snookies, to having a chair that turned into a bed, unlimited wine and a 4-course meal. I'm sure somebody has had it worse, just wanted to share my experience.